come out to this waterfall once or twice before. We've had a bunch of rain lately. In fact, we had a whole lot of flooding in West Auckland and kind of Kumeu area. Heaps of really nice little pockets of light on the trail every now and then. Hopefully you can see behind me the waterfall there. It's pretty awesome. We can get on the track a little bit further and hopefully be able to shoot up at the waterfall, which would be nice. So it's a little bit dangerous going down there. I have been down there before, but it was a lot more stable and a lot less slippery. So I think with the current situation and all the flooding we've had, I think I'll stick to the track and walk down a little bit. There was a guy just there that said I can't go over the bridge, so that's fine, but we don't need to anyway. So we'll head down and have a look now. While I am here, I will get a couple of images on my Fuji X100. And I'm just shooting JPEG with my classic chrome profile. See how that comes out. So the sign says the track's closed because of slips and stuff like that, so I think it's important to respect that and not go over the bridge. I guess we're going to call this video a day of all sorts of photography or something, instead of photographing a waterfall like I was going to. But I got some nice shots on the Fuji, I think, so nothing amazing, but we'll see how they look. So I'm just going to head home now, but I'm going to show you guys the photos that I got from the X100F. I'll show you the JPEGs straight out of the camera with my custom classic chrome profile that I've been using, and I'll also put the settings up so you guys can copy that if you want to. Some of the files I'll show you side by sides with the straight out of camera JPEGs and the raw files edited like I would usually edit them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to help the channel out, YouTube's been funny lately and hasn't been putting my videos out, so if you have any groups that you'd like to share my content in, or just with friends or whatever, that would be really helpful. Otherwise, just like and subscribe like normal. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.